Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I'll be making a review of a revolutionary product software that actually just launched. Now the name of this software is called Xbotz. Okay, Xbotz is actually a software that will help you to automate your entire business online without you being there 24/7 to control things yourself. Okay, Xbotz is a software that is integrated with a whole lot of marketing strategy, which includes Facebook, Instagram, email marketing, SMS marketing. Now, how does Xbotz actually works? It works by helping you to manage your business even while you are not there. Okay, you can actually schedule your campaign, you can schedule your posts to Instagram, you can schedule your post to Facebook, you can do your email marketing directly from inside of Xbotz. You can also do your SMS marketing directly from inside of Xbotz. That is the beauty of this software. Okay, now this is the member area of the software. Like I rightly told you, you can see you can manage your subscribers from here. You just import your Facebook. Now I'm going to come down here and show you exactly how this software actually works. Okay, you can see it's a very you can post to your Instagram directly from here. You can schedule the post like even for 1 week or 1 month. You don't mind. You can just schedule your post, and the post will keep going out to your followers. Okay, you can broadcast, you can do email campaign from this, you can do hashtag research and generation from inside of Xbotz. All this you are going to get from inside of Xbotz. Now before I go into details review of Xbotz to show you how it actually works, I want to show you something. I want to show you the bonuses I actually have for you if you're going to get Xbotz directly from my link below this video. Right now, I am aware that a whole lot of people will be promoting Xbotz to you. Okay, and for that reason I've come up with a special exclusive bonuses that will actually complement your business. I'm not giving you bonuses that you can that won't be of benefit to your business, that you just garbage. No, I'm giving you bonuses that will benefit your business. Now let's start. The bonus number one that I'll be giving you is called promo video secret. Now this in this bonus you're going to learn how to generate, okay, how to produce promo video that will actually go viral. Now these are not just anyhow promo video. They are promo video. They are very short but very detailed and attention grabbing kind of a video. Right, you're going to get all that inside of this particular bonus, this bonus number one I'll be giving to you. Okay, now let's go to the bonus number two. The bonus number two is 5-figure freedom. Now if you know Brenda Mays, then you should know is somebody that actually works his talk, is the one that's actually puts this bonus together. Okay, this bonus 5-figure freedom that I'm giving to you is put together by my friend Brenda Mays. Now Brenda Mays in this bonus is going to show you how to actually make 5-figure consistently every month from your business. Okay, he actually makes more than that, but he's just putting it on the average how you can make 5 figures from this. The information inside of these bonuses on how to achieve that is very, very detailed. Okay, so if for nothing, I want to encourage you to follow those that actually walk their talk, and Brenda Mays is one of them, and I'm giving you this bonus from him, which is 5-figure freedom. Now the bonus number three I'm going to be giving to you is called Fuego Multiplier. Now this is a bonus coming from one of the top affiliates, John Armstrong. Now this particular one is going to show you how to generate the right traffic, right, to your product and services. Remember, we are talking about Xbotz, which is all about how to generate traffic and event and sales for your business online. Now you need traffic. You even need traffic for Xbotz to actually work properly. Now in this particular bonus from my friend John Armstrong, the Fuego Multiplier, you're going to learn how to generate proper traffic for your business from how to use the Facebook, YouTube, and also how to generate traffic from Instagram. Okay, now the bonus number 4 I'll be giving to you is called vid capture. Now what is vid capture? Vid capture is a software that you will install. It's like a plugin like you will install on your WordPress site, okay, that helps you capture leads of your visitors. Okay, now you and I know that a whole lot of people don't actually like giving out their email addresses and their names. Okay, but with the help of this vid capture, you'll be able to place a very attractive, attention grabbing video on the top of your website. Then you embed an opt-in page to that video. So as soon as someone comes to your website and they see the video, they want to watch the video, they click on the video, what comes up next will just be like an opt-in page for them to put in their name and their email address for them to be able to watch that video. That is what you'll be getting in this bonus number 4. I tell you this, nobody else is going to give you this, but I'm giving it to you for free if you get Xbotz from my link below this video. Now the bonus number 5 is called Bing Ads Mastery. One of the avenues to generate a whole lot of leads and sales online is actually from Bing, but I discovered a whole lot of people are not taking advantage of it for now, probably because they are too entangled with Google. Okay, but in this particular bonus, you're going to learn how to gain full details, mastery details of how to use Bing to drive sales to your products or your services, how to generate leads, okay, for your business. Right now, this is a detailed training. This is not the kind of training you'll find on YouTube. No, mind you, some information you get on YouTube, they are not details, they are just kind of surface information. So with this particular bonus, you're going to get detailed information on how to master Bing ads. Okay, now these are the bonuses I'll be giving to you. Right, then all the bonuses that the vendor asked me to give to you, also I'll be giving them to you if you get Xbotz from my link below this video. All you just need to do is just to click this link. Okay, you click this link and it will take you, all right, to the sales page. Okay, of you take you to the sales page of Xbotz. Now this is the sales page of Xbotz. Mind you, Xbotz is $17, right? It's $17 and is going to benefit your business. Actually, I was expecting it to be like $47, but it's just $17. So that is all you're going to be getting. Okay, and let's get to the members area of Xbotz. Now this is the members area of Xbotz. This is the dashboard. First and foremost, what you need to do when you get to the members area of Xbotz is that you need to import your Facebook. Okay, you import your Facebook account. It could be your secondary Facebook account or something, but for me, I imported my Facebook account here. Right, so when you import your Facebook account, then you connect your Instagram account also. Okay, but for some, your Facebook is integrated with your Instagram account already, so everything comes in the uniform. Okay, now getting into Xbotz proper, like I rightly told you, you can send email from here. Okay, you can broadcast message to your followers on Instagram, on Facebook. Okay, there are a whole lot of things you can do. You can auto reply, like somebody sends you a message on Instagram, you can auto reply the person. On Facebook, you can auto reply the person. Okay, also, like I rightly said, you get to see your subscribers, all the subscribers you get, because there's a way you can integrate your opt-in page, okay, to do this. So whoever comes to your Facebook or your Instagram and you want to get their leads, you can push your lead. You want to get their lead, you can push your opt-in page to them. They put in their email address and their phone number, and everything will come in directly here. Now you can integrate your lists. Okay, now I'm talking about the email. Now you can integrate your list to Xbotz. Then you can send mails directly to your subscribers list. All you just need to do is to install your SMTP. Integrate your SMTP for your SMS or your email to Xbotz, and everything begins to work fine for you. Okay, there are a whole lot here, and for you getting Xbotz, there are a whole lot of information, training you're going to get to understand how to actually use Xbotz um, to its full potential. Okay, like I rightly say, it's like a bot. Okay, you can reply people that send you message on Instagram or on Facebook. You can also integrate your e-commerce business to Xbotz, right? You can see e-com store here. Let me show you that quickly. You can see you can create your store here. You can actually create your e-com store here from inside of this particular software. You can create your store. You can literally control all your businesses from inside of Xbotz here. Okay, let me show you. You can do live chat from inside of Xbotz. Let me show you this quickly. You can do live chats, like all your followers, people who follow you on Instagram, or the followers of your page on Facebook. You can actually chat with them directly from inside of Xbotz. You can see these are some of my followers. These are some of my followers that I've chatted with on my Facebook page. Let me just quickly show you. You see, you can see this person I chatted with. Like I can just send message directly to him here from here, right? Okay, it's not online presently, but if the person is online, I can chat him directly from here. Okay, so there are a whole lot of things you can actually do from inside of this software. There are a whole lot of things you can do from this software. Like I told you, you can do your broadcast. You can broadcast your email. Let me show you that quickly also. You can see you can do email sequence. Like you can send follow-up emails to your subscribers from here. I told you about the SMS, right? So all you just need to do is to connect your email API to this, and you are good to go, right? So that is all that for now I'll be telling you about Xbotz. But what I want you to take home from this is this. It's a software that you can actually use to integrate all of your online business together. Like everything you do online, you can actually do them directly from inside of Xbotz. Instead of you jumping from one of your social media or your email from one to another, you can actually get everything integrated inside of Xbotz, and you get your business running from here. There are a whole lot of training. When you get Xbotz, there's a member area, the training area, where you get details of how to actually run this thing proper to move your business forward. Okay, don't forget all the bonuses I said I'll be giving you. I'll be giving you a whole 5 bonuses if you get Xbotz from my link below this video, right? I told you I'll be giving you promo video secrets. I'll be giving you 5-figure freedom. I'll be giving you the Fuego multiplier. I'll be giving you vid capture, and also I'll be giving you the Bing ad mastery training. Okay, these are all the bonuses you'll be getting if you get Xbotz directly from my link below this video. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in my next review, and as you enjoy Xbotz, I wish you all the best in your business, and bye bye.